So in KKWAG, on an average, every year around 200 plus companies, they do visit KKWAG and provides the job opportunities. Usually these interviews will happen when a student comes to the final year. However, the preparation for the campus interview in KKWAG begins when the student is in the second year onwards. So we conduct the various training programs. Now today, Mr. Parth is with us. He belongs to Mechanical Engineering Department in the final year engineering. So what type of trainings you have attended it?
Sir, I have attended many trainings like CV writing, GD sessions, then a mock interview. I would like to emphasize on the mock interview point that how mock interviews has helped me a lot in my interview process. It has been it has played a big role in changing the point of view of an interview. Like how should be interview be attended, what questions are asked in the interview, how should we answer them, what exactly the company expects from us, what all should be expressed or shown through our interviews. All these important points were covered in the mock interview. The mock interviews boosted my confidence a lot. It helped me. At first I was very nervous. I was not knowing that what I should speak in the interviews, what is expected from the interviewer. So all these things were very clear, and KKWAG has helped me a lot in understanding the process and how should I present myself in an interview.
So any specific instructions were given for attending the mock interviews, like drills or something like that?
First main point is that the interview should be attended in a formal attire with proper grooming. Then what specific points whatever is in your CV, you should exactly know, like you should be able to answer all the questions. Your CV should be aligned with all the things you speak, and there should be no miscommunication between you and the CV. Everything should be aligned with each other.
So that's a really nice part that you have attended the mock interviews. If you ask you to rate in the scale of 1 to 10, with 1 as a lowest and 10 as a highest, how these training programs in general and specifically mock interviews have helped you in preparing? Scale in the rate of 1 to 10.
Sir, I would not like to rate it between 10. I would like to rate it on 100 on 100 because it has helped me a lot. I was very confident while my main interview, and it really gave me a very big opportunity to learn from my mistakes and implement in the main interview.
That's great. One message to your juniors?
A very important message to all the juniors that you should attend these workshops. College is taking a lot of efforts for you, and you won't get this opportunity anywhere else or any other college. So it is very crucial for you to attend these sessions and take advantage of this. It is 1001% going to help you in your interviews a lot. So I request all the juniors and all the other students to please take advantage of these sessions and give your best.
So thank you, Mr. Parth, and we wish you all the best for your forthcoming campus interviews. Work hard. Sky is the limit. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And on the behalf of Training and Placement Cell, I invite all the students of KKWAG to take the benefit of the training programs provided by the Training and Placement Cell of KKWAG. Thank you.